Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make a clipping mask in Photoshop. So go ahead and open up Photoshop. We're going to create a new document. So click on Create New. We're going to go up to Print and we will choose a letter size, and over here we'll make sure if we want it to be horizontal or vertical. Let's choose horizontal, also known as landscape. 300 pixels per inch is good. Let's make this CMYK in case we print it, and go ahead and click Create. All right, so we now have our new document open. A clipping mask is essentially when you take two things together and you combine them into one, but it excludes part of one object versus another. So in this case, we're going to make a clipping mask of the word ocean, but the word is going to be filled with a picture of an ocean. So come over to your type tool, click on it, and let's go ahead and type the word ocean. So when you first go to type, sometimes it will fill it with text for you. I'm going to do all capital letters. Mine is in a unique font. I'm going to come up here and switch. We want something big and bold. You can choose whatever looks interesting to you, but you want something big enough to be able to fill it. So I'm going to choose, maybe broken. Let's try that. And I want to make it larger, so I'm going to highlight it and then I'm going to go and make it, so maybe this isn't the best one. I might choose it. Let's do a font size of 150. That's pretty big. Good enough for us to see. I'm going to highlight it. Even though my highlight's not showing at the moment, it is actually selected. I'm going to change another one, maybe just Arial Black. I'm going to go to my Move tool and just move this in the center. And now what I want to do is to bring in a picture of the ocean. So I'm going to go to File, and I want to place linked. And I'm going to go to Desktop, and I'm going to do, I have mine saved in a clipping mask. Here's my ocean picture, and I'm going to hit place. All right, so I now have my ocean picture on top, and if you look, it looks very pixelated. That is because anytime you place a picture, it's a preview of it. Sometimes your picture quality might not be good, but a lot of times it could just be that it needs to adjust. Once you hit enter, it fixes it. So I'm stretched it over top the word. It doesn't have to fit the whole thing. I just need it to be over top the word ocean. I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. And now you can see it clears up, and that's a much nicer picture of the ocean. All right, so this right here will show you that it's linked. I now have my ocean picture over top of my text. And all I need to do is over the word, not over the symbol, but over the word, I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna choose Create Clipping Mask. And it will now fill that text with the picture of the ocean. And so the cool thing is that it allows you to adjust it and move it around to get it to where you might want it to be. I like that right there, so I'm gonna leave that in that spot right there. So we now have the picture over top the ocean, and it's been clipped to that. That is a short tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions on how to make a clipping mask.